Here we are, look at the mountains. It's beautiful. All right, we tried to go to that beach, but it's kind of thundering, so they wouldn't let us in the water, so we didn't go in. You have to pay. Look at the mountains again. Nice.
My feet hurt. Making money off of it. It's just been private.
Al's party pooping. Holy flip. That is so sad.
Whoa, that's pretty gross.
What do you mean? You didn't wash your hands.
Gross as in that's sick, bro.
We finally found some water that was not private.
Guys, it's been like an hour of trying to find where to go. We went upstream, trespassing, went in the park. It was kind of expensive, but we finally found a place through the stream here. You can't really swim, but dude, it feels fresh.
Yes, sir. Just a beautiful day out in nature.
We are currently in a storm. I don't know if you see that. We can't see. We can barely see. Zeus, the trooper, right there. That is doing that thing. Noah, are you awake? No, he is not awake. It's been a long day.